Hey, it's Faye. Are you also wondering why I have raw chicken tenderloins? Well, we're gonna put them in our ass. There's not a lot of junk in my trunk. My booty don't jigga jigga, it's flat. I did this before where I tried butt pads on my very, very flat booty. Ooh, okay. If you're also like me where you have pancakes, inverted V-shaped booties, that's me. You know, the Lord didn't have enough time to work on us. And you really, really want curves, but you don't have them, especially in the tushin. And you've always been curious. This video is for you. So these are silicone butt lift pads. The hip line is lifted approximately 45 degrees, just for gits and shiggles. Maybe I should change into leggings. Currently working with a lot of camo. This is the butt. Don't be fooled. There's nothing back here. Oh my golly. Hey, maybe have a little one. Come on, give me something. It's like a tiny little butt, right? Look at the dips. You do not peel these, the heavier part on the bottom, and it'd be like this, I think. Right? Ooh, yeah. I guess you can actually adjust it so you can have it more on your hips. The inverted V part is just gonna shift around. Guess we'll find out. Tuck it in our leggings because, girl, I'm returning these. Okay, just shove it in. Like here? You can't tell. Can you tell? Oh. Taking the second one and we're gonna adjust it also. Oh my god. Okay, look at this curve. Let me take this out. Look at that. Wait, I kind of have my own curves. The foot. Okay, but this is way better. Like if I turn, you can tell this is all fake, okay? This is not real. This is real. This is not real. It looks so odd. I don't think this is correct. Ooh, like my ass cheeks are shifting a lot. Okay, let's actually put this on our butt. So this is the current booty, okay? Do you see anything? Oh. Look how it peeks out. Flat, that's me. Bam! Bam! Okay, we're gonna shift this one over. I hope it's even. I think so. How does it look now? Ooh, yeah. She got a little booty. Listen, Linda, honestly, truly feel in my soul that if my behind was a little bit thicker with a bit of juice, like cone, I would not look as stubby. Oh. It's falling. Okay, so I just confirmed that you do want to wear this in your underwear because my butt pads are literally down here now. Pull it up more. Oh my god, that looks so much better. I literally look like a Kardashian right now. Oh my god. Oh. It must feel so good to have a booty, you guys. Don't take it for granted. Girl can dream, all right? If I had to rate this out of 5, I would give this a solid 4.7. Wow. Maybe I won't return this. Oh my god, I just want to throw it back. Feels like cardboard. May I borrow some sugar? Smooth like butter, like it. So this next one, don't worry, I made sure to get my size large. Let me just demonstrate wearing it outside of my leggings. Oh, it's a little tight. Sexy. This is how it looks like. This carries its own weight. I much prefer this than putting on like a whole body armor. The big concern here are the buckles, adjusting straps, too hefty, so you can't be wearing this under like a bodycon or anything thin and Shein like. You have to wear it under jeans. You can either do that or just get a new body. Period. If you wanna do it. Just wanted to show you how it's gonna strap around your body real quick. Now I'm gonna take my leggings off and actually put this on and we'll see. Clearly, I kept my undie on. This is digging into my belly and causing a little bit of destruction on the side. It literally just feels like you're wearing an overnight pad or, you know, a diaper. Girl. Oh my god, wait, I kind of need this in my life. Girl, oh my god, this is like the perfect butt shape for me. I'm just missing a lot of it, almost like all. I feel like it looks more natural than the silicone. It does look a little too big for my frame. But stop. In my dream. Oh my god. This is every inverted V butt shapes girl's dream right now. It's literally the hardest butt form to grow. Like what else am I gonna do? What else am I gonna say? You won't get it. You privileged booties. Would you rather be a tootie booty or a chesty bestie girl? My big girls. Okay, this is me and you talking now. You know when you like your underwear to be over your belly rolls? This is almost like a low rise and it cuts in between, so it's just uncomfortable. You just kind of want to like yank it upward and the strap is twisting. You have to be kidding me if you're not realizing how wonderful this would be. You don't have to lie to me, we're friends. I won't internalize or take this personal. I get it, just say it. Tell me I look better with an ass. Bless my boyfriend. Loves me no matter what, but me? I love me with an ass. Okay, if I had to rate this out of a 10 or out of a 5, honestly, 5 out of 5. I'm not even being dramatic. Okay, straps is a little uncomfortable, but in terms of how good it looks and how natural and how it just doesn't slip off, 4.8 out of 5. I like this more than the silicone. It's screaming. So this is another size large. This doesn't have that bikini look in front. It's a whole panty. We might like this more than we think. You never know, let's try. Because we have to be friendly for Mr. YouTube. I do like this feeling better, way better. Just because I have belly rolls, okay? So this has a spandex texture. I don't know, I'm trying not to judge it right now because it doesn't look great. And the butt pads are a little bit lower, this one. I don't like this one. Yeah, no. See, this looks unnatural. This is my theory because I wouldn't know. Personally, because I have a tummy and it bulges right here. If I have something bulging right here too, it looks like I'm pregnant both ends. And I don't really want to go for that look right now. Not at this stage of my life. I like the perky butts up here. It kind of distracts from my other insecurities. Although I will say it is comfortable because it is like a high-waisted brief, stable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna snap. This is just stiff competition. It really is stiff. Yeah, a 2 out of 5. These are the last ones I'm gonna review. They're silicone butt pads as well. Instead of that pear shape, they're fully circular. Oh wow, they're a lot bigger than I thought. Comes in a little bag like this, so you best believe we got the best quality for you. Kind of nasty. Oh, they're heavy. It's the size of my face. Kind of similar, but this one's just so much heavier. Bro, these are literally so fat. Make that booty clap. Now that we have our shoulder pads, stick it in. That's all you do. They're very uneven. A low butt, a high butt, a low butt, a high butt. That looks so fake. Kind of have to go lower with these because there's just no blend. God, these you can tell they're so fake. I kind of have to droop it down, but even then, there's really no blending happening. And if I were to pull it up higher, again, there's no blending. Like it cuts off right at the bottom of the pads. You know, listen, what is happening? Higher? Oh, it's slipping. It's slipping. Fix my butt real quick. Oh, maybe if I bring it to the side more. It doesn't, I guarantee you they're gonna slip and slide everywhere. There's just no gripping. Honestly, the chicken breast one, so much better because there's like some tapering here. You can kind of control and blend it out. One assicle is definitely lopsided and the other is not even correct. These work better for like stress balls, so I can understand men sometimes. They're like fun to play with though, I'm not gonna lie. I am no better than a man. Honestly, there's no shame of wearing butt pads, okay? If you want to, do it. There are people in my life who do wear butt pads. Whatever floats your boat, whatever tickles your pickle. I just thought this would be like a fun, helpful review. If you guys want me to find more and try it on, I am the perfect girl to ask and do that for because we're lacking in some areas. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye!
Even if you try